Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hitachi Cordless Screwdriver Kit, model No DB3DL2. From loosening screws of delicate electronic devices to drive screws through drywall, everything is convenient with DB3DL2 driver from Hitachi. Its 21 clutch settings lets you have precise control over its operation. For convenient use, its handle is made adjustable. You can place it straight or pistol position, however you need to get the job done. The LED light is handy to work accurately in dimly lit places. Most of the power tools have overload protection, but this drive comes with over-discharge protection as well. Hence, the longevity of the tool is undoubtedly longer. The motor of this drive is powered by a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery. There are 2 of those in the package, so you can interchange while working for long hours. In my opinion, this unit of cordless screwdriver is best for home use only. For professional usage, you will need something much more powerful. The tool is covered by a lifetime warranty. Even the battery comes with 2 years warranty. Hence, investing in this driver will be a lifetime investment for you. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dewalt Cordless 2-Position Screwdriver Kit, model No DW920K. Dewalt Resemblance Power. Their DW920K driver kit is powerful, versatile and durable. It is suitable for heavy-duty applications like industrial sites because of its high torque. For these reasons, it is considered as the best cordless power screwdriver in current market. The features are basic like any other conventional cordless drivers, and includes variable speed, forward, reverse switch, adjustable handle and so on. But the difference is made in its quality. This machine is heavyweight and its large body makes it tougher compared to drivers of other manufacturers. Despite being big, this drive easily gets into tight spaces to get the job done. Besides, bit changing is a breeze due to the quick release chuck. The package involves almost everything you need on a daily basis. Compared to other drivers of similar features, you have to pay almost twice the money for this driver because of its unmatched high quality and power. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee Cordless 1/4 inch hex screwdriver, model number 2401-20M12. Milwaukee tools gained popularity due to their unmatched convenient features. This 2401-20M12 tool is no different. It is equipped with simple yet advanced functionalities for ultimate user satisfaction. This tool comes with variable speed trigger and 15 clutch settings for accurate applications and to prevent over-tightening. Built-in LED, fuel gauge and 2 belt clips are other useful features. Its bit holder is 1/4 inch in size and changing bits is a one-handed job. You will need a 12-volt red lithium-ion battery to operate this machine. Users previously complained about low performance of the battery, but that problem is solved in the new batches. So, check the manufacturing date before purchasing one. At number 2, we have the General Tools Cordless Screwdriver, model number 502. This screwdriver, model number 502, from General Tools is meant for occasional light usage on electronic devices only. I don't recommend this for even household use. Only weighs several ounces, this tool delivers low torque and rotation. Despite being super economic, it comes with everything you need to operate it. Besides, it has LED, forward, reverse switch and a small body. AAA battery, which is provided in this package, is great for operations where you need at least 6 hours backup. Quality of this driver seemed questionable to me, due to its low price tag. If you are looking for a driver for your gadgets only, then you can consider this as a money-saving option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nocry 10nm Cordless Electric Screwdriver, NCS10NM. Nocry took a cordless screwdriver and made it 3x better. Whether it's fixing a fence, assembling some furniture, or winding up various home improvements, the Nocry 10NM is the perfect cordless screwdriver for the cash. High torque and driving speed make this tool perfect to use for many domestic applications. Rechargeable 7.2 volts, 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. While similar screwdrivers can handle about 200 screws on one charge, this one takes over 300. Plus, the battery power indicator shows what proportion juice is left, and you'll be able to get from 0 to 100% in precisely 3 to 5 hours. 120 volts charger included. 30 screw bit kit plus extension included. More specifically, 6 slotted, flathead bits. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.